Hello photographers, and welcome to this video from UrbanEdge Academy. I've got a quick video I wanted to make about the color picker here in Procreate. So the default here in the colors palette little widget here is complementary colors, and something that's not super clear is that you can actually change this. So I'm actually doing a screen recording on the iPad Pro here so you can see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm going to zoom into that and show you everything that's going on. So here we have complementary colors. So you have one color and then the actual complement. But what's not clear about this is you can actually tap on complementary up at the top, the actual word under colors, and then you get several more options that you can use to help pick colors. So whatever project you're working on, we've got a digital magazine cover right here, but art stuff, anything like that, one of the toughest things that I found is putting together that color palette, right? So you can pick things and like, oh, this looks good, but sometimes you really want to know what the actual color scheme, like the complementary colors. So let's check out some of the other ones here. The second one is the split complementary. So we've got a few different options here. And then we go the next one down, that analogous. So this one's really, really cool for putting together just a few different options that they're definitely similar, but they kind of go together in their own little ways. And then we have the next option down gives you a few more options. There's 3 here. You can spin around and get a nice kind of array of colors here in this particular palette. And then we've got the 4. So this one's just kind of spinning around. Nice pastel palette here. Just a really, really, really cool thing. So that's something in Procreate that just doesn't jump out at you. It's not super clear, but go ahead and tap on the colors and then the complementary, I believe that's the default. So if you tap on that, then you can get to all those really cool options if you're trying to put together a different color palette. I also want to mention there's a few other apps out there that you can use to pick a color palette. The first one is Colors with 2 O's. Now it's on the App Store for $2.99, but they actually have a web app version of this that's completely free and it works great on iPad. So I'd recommend that, trying it out. If you really like it, go ahead and buy the app there so you have a dedicated app on your iPad for picking palettes. So that one's really, really cool. I also want to show you the web version of this. This is colors.co, and it's colors with 2 O's, and this is the web version. So here we can actually pick different colors. We can move them around, put in actual hexadecimal values to pick the color. So this works really, really well if you have an Apple keyboard as well, any sort of Bluetooth keyboard. Once you enable this one, the space bar will actually generate a new palette. So you can tell it's kind of actually meant for desktop, but it works pretty well here on iPad as well. All right, guys, that wraps up this UrbanEdge Academy video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Baby, I'ma hold you tight.